Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect Todoist to Notion. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to your Todoist account. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your credentials if you haven't already. This step ensures you have full access to all the integration features that Todoist offers, which you'll need to establish the connection with Notion. After logging in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes. Once that's done, you'll be automatically directed to Todoist's main dashboard. This is where all your tasks and projects are displayed, but more importantly, it's also where you can access the integration settings that will allow you to link Todoist with Notion. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see Todoist's main menu. This menu contains several tabs and options for managing your workspace. Scroll down through these options until you find the Help and Resources button. Click on it, and a small window will pop up displaying various support options and features. From the list of options that appears in this window, you'll need to locate and click on Add Integration. This is the key feature that unlocks Todoist's ability to work with other platforms like Notion. Clicking this option will redirect you to the Integrations window, where Todoist provides all the necessary tools for connecting with external applications. Once you're in the Integrations window, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see several tabs. Look for the one labeled Developers and click on it. This tab is specifically designed for users who want to create custom integrations or connect Todoist with third-party applications using an API token. After clicking on the Developers tab, you'll immediately see your API token displayed on the screen. This token is essentially the bridge between Todoist and Notion. It's a unique code that allows the two platforms to communicate with each other securely. Go ahead and copy this API token. You can do this by clicking on it or using the copy button if one is provided. Now that you have your API token copied, you'll need to head over to Notion and paste this token in the appropriate field to complete the connection. Adding this token to Notion will enable the integration, allowing your Todoist tasks to sync with your Notion workspace seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully connected Todoist to Notion using your API token, giving you the ability to manage your tasks across both platforms. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.